In the beginning, there was only the ocean of silence, vast, dark, and endless, with nothing to break its stillness. Upon that infinite water floated a single golden lotus, its stem rising slowly from depths no one could see. From that lotus, Brahma awoke, the architect of all creation. His four faces opened one by one, each gazing toward a different direction, as if to witness everything that existed and everything yet to come. With nothing but thought and will, Brahma began to shape the universe itself. Rivers found their paths, mountains rose from nothingness, forests spread across new earth, and countless living beings drew their first breath. Creation poured endlessly from his hands, filling the void with form, color, and life. Yet, amid this vast, unstoppable act of creation, even Brahma found himself facing a question he could not silence: how does one tell truth from illusion, essence from appearance? When the world itself resembles milk mixed with water, inseparably tangled, truth hidden within illusion. He looked upon a vessel where milk and water swirled together as one, and realized that even his infinite power could not divide them by will alone. Creation, he understood, was not enough. The universe also needed discernment, the ability to see clearly. So Brahma turned inward, seeking a symbol wise enough to embody this gift. From his own focused meditation, a being of pure white light slowly began to form, feather by feather, wisdom itself taking shape. And from that radiance, the Hamsa emerged, a swan unlike any other, born entirely of clarity and discernment. Legend says this sacred swan alone possessed the extraordinary gift to separate milk from water with perfect, effortless grace, seeing clearly what no other being could distinguish. Watching this, Brahma understood at once that this was no ordinary bird, but wisdom itself, given living form. Right beside me always, Brahma said, and remind me, and all beings, to see clearly, no matter how tangled the world may seem. From that moment, the Hamsa became Brahma's eternal Vahana, carrying him across galaxies and forming worlds, a living symbol of Viveka, the sacred power to discern the real from the unreal. Together they traveled beyond creation itself, knowledge forever guiding will. Even today, the swan stands as a timeless symbol at temples and shrines, its wings folded in quiet dawn stillness, reminding every seeker of wisdom to look inward before looking outward. For Brahma may create endlessly, but it is the Hamsa beside him that whispers the deeper truth, that true wisdom is not loud, and it does not need to shout. It simply sees clearly, patiently, and without illusion. And that, ultimately, is the beginning of all real understanding.